Etosu 8 after 10 games. Ono so 14 points. Bechem United enso 14 points. Ono so toso 9th. 10th no Basake Holy Stars. Ono so 12 points after 10 games. Adriana Football Club enso abatoso 10th. Ono so after 10 games 12 points. Ubenya Timua Jeffrey Vision FC. Etoso 12 or also 11 points after 10 games. In Swatreman, Etoso 13th, 11 points. Ubenya Young Apostles, Etoso 14th, 10 points. Kawela United, Etoso 15th, 9 points. Accra Lions, Etoso 16th, 8 points. Dreams FC, Etoso 17th, 8 points. Nothing. Legon City, Etratwa. Ono enso etoso 18th 8 points enti from 16th to 18th to biano enso 8 points eno ene said no one enso esiko Ghanaian Premier League nima yere ho nsensem enso to no afa yenti wuram na afa ensema woro enura after se Kumasi asa no kotokoko kodi ntwo no ebae no yemfa ntoma ne yankɔ na afa the home supporters Bechem United fans no after some win here at the Kumasi asande kotokono omudi nkomo yenko die ntie omo
enfonso ni frugum yemusa se nanade team ni manu no all the scam man kokoto players na fabra be ye team no na wa diskano no kokoto players 23 or 24 players Ghana League wako tosa hawi no yemusa se ye ya hanu me pitch na ye boso no ne ye players na ye kura mo ha no untimi ye anyusu am say the foreign players no be 23 players na hwan untimi o say yemusa se team ni players na kasen e na ebo ball na de ma o sisi enti e besre me enfunso no fa de me de ma coach no fi say players a wakota aba no de dodo na metimi aka say o ma na bo so ti say when na de mo ba team ene sa na three back bi na o bo no so ti say enfunso no be me de ba no coach no o me say metimi aka say the chain o mo ka say the chain United player no o mo chance ba ko pe na the chain United nya no o de share no ye musa say kotoko yes no bodo say na ye eyi say o bobo that's what as ntimi de me hu ni say the chain United ayade ba me de ogun de enkasa nchira no na lawyer na nye in fact na bomb club has a wasa has only players papa coach I say your players are what come I'm here new set of players amount they say about 4 good matches one player shaba go cry if you match a deal the better so all do pa dia we make sure say you bet me win match bi obi
India no ye Kumasi asande kotoko fans ni bi nsem enra omere tudwa after say Bechem United share asande kotoko ka ba ko a omo antimi anti na yanko na afi Bechem United for no fans no so yanko na yanko ti omo after say omnya da win against Kumasi asande kotoko
we are Bechem United as ni amaye esa say ya support you again to the fans omini kotoko ba this year na we kotoko so we team betwa say say na make say kotoko ti o ni nadie wani ba dia ni ana pese on be jini na so we Bechem United na your players le plan o standard you first be how o not prepare premier players na no ni premier na bana kamba fire o ni no prepare so say I started live na your boy o ni patrick ana ti premier league na say o academy from kwa na boy o no o ni division from na boy but so not you din kunu woni la me ya be da say na de be ka ba ko so no say o mo ko so akon mani no be chimo ade o ba 3 points e dey so be fa draw kwa no e dey see o be ma o it's a better press na so be we amaye the champ be has fan no no managerial aba me support the champ to say the police the champ Asia kotoko because kotoko ai kasado o mo kasado ya bododo ejilo the champ Asia kotoko ni media jibebi because na we say kotoko o mo nyaade you because then
just oya class folk fun nanso waba abe support to Bechem United o ma she Kumasi asane kotoko no ene na ni je ntino football ni say na man ye de no say ene man ye de no ndia no ne nsam kakra efi ho ba ya yenso ye de air2 anim enso na yanko Alex Manu ba Kumasi asane kotoko mo NCC no ene ye chama no ba Ashanti Regional after the game no odi nkomo edefa ntwa Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso adi atia Bechem United.
Babu ya kan football Babu news kan baba. It's even better say I mean we are here we correct ourselves. When I mean our mistakes are corrected, Kotoko will be a team to beat.
Now, what show team they play? General play, let's say.
Not bad. Was a lucky. I mean, the up front and then the problem. I mean, striking department is a problem. And there's also chances in here. So now there are more than there are 2 chances they create here. Even 2 goals because we will be champion. They didn't create any chance. If you create chance, yeah. Any via brilliance and players in the year, and share that goal. But the ball, any bad. Support the being able to. Hey, 4 matches, just 12 points, only 1 point. But you can't cry over sport milk. What I say, until you know, because it's here now. I'm telling you, the points in the
Alex Manu say, Kotoko fans in Yabutre, say possible 12 points, when you wine per year, Nanso, you want to watch them be a intimate encoina. Kumasi as I know Kotoko next games eba. Who are also so Alex Manu animu ye anase boasi eno so say eno odin komo na fire.
They could match after match. We're not mad that it's against nations. We're going to beat them. Read my lips, we're going to beat nations. It will be a turning point for Atletico. What I say, there's no harm in trying. Until we talk for man, just over that for us. I was at least so principle sorry. What I say, until we're not a very turning point. But they make and support us.
In the against nation, you know, a turning point. Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na nations a few more way from the feno. Yefiro ni afianko coach Prosper Netuogu Makachi wono and your head coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. After so mulusu ye editia Bechem United no say an opening answer kai.
Yeah, I think it's an unfortunate loss if you look at the way we played. To me, we played very well. We created very decent chances that we have converted, especially in the first half. We created a lot. In the second half, too, we did create a lot. But then the game is all about scoring goals. So we didn't actually convert our chances, and then out of nothing, I think from 50 yards or 40 yards. I think we got that unexpected. I mean, after that, we still could have come back. We created some decent chances, but then we still couldn't convert.
Now, Coach Prosper Netuogu some of the 2 Ghana say a unfortunate loss and a Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so 8 minyaye no. Now, the goalkeeper fan Kamara. Ojina ho from long distance near Bobo. Hebo isa na kwa kotonet. Na nonso coach ni nyanto boase e chire no me course ntia e ma sa ball no etonet.
I think nobody expected him to take that shot from that angle. Kamara was following play, and then the shot was taken. So I think it took him unawares. And then he was also complaining about the sun, that the sun actually got break up out of his sight, so he couldn't see the ball. So I mean, it has happened. I think nobody expected.
And the other someone coach Prosper Netuogu mo kaminim sa brand defend Kamara free Guinea asanya babe gina Ghana afri Kumasi akobechem say one expect so we be ball na no da po ni mu ye dey I don't know some opani no and kan say wan hu na wi akra so danani but Aziz koda po mu ha ma wi danani ye saves edema bechem ntu de yento aso na on next nyoma Asante Kotoko beye in their subsequent games on mo enso nyoma beye biem no say no opani no enso edi hu komo.
We need to work harder than before and make sure that we win. The game is about winning. When you win, you get the points. If you don't win, you don't get the points. So we need to work harder, look at the errors that are recurring in the team and be sure that we design drills to correct. We need to work harder than before.
I don't know someone coach Prosper Netuogu enso etimide 2 dwa kwaku danso head coach edema team wa your friend Bechem United after the game and no menene nya 1-on-1 na mebusa na say one Kotoko ne boy hwe Kotoko team na nkasa problem say what team nim ne den say na kwaku danso enso ekan
Kotoko coach ni say lack because they played well. They played well, but it was a lack in the and today I was telling them say they should play for a lack in the they are playing very good football. Until bibi no lose, but lack the and then
Kumasi Asante Kotoko team ni lack and then some coach kwaku danso and na Bechem United team no 8 players na film bebe 4 as a miensa enso ye injured but still mu sa se mo bobo ni team ankasa building a team e wo Bechem no say na city coach danso.
Yeah, so show Bechem United in your star-studded club. Unlike Kotoko Mona player wey you good ha ne akoto no has wey good ha ne akoto Beche United no you grew until they pick 1 or 2 video abishim until maybe analyze the team is there until you know more or less the Debiano rebuilding here Juma and to a player like this guy Rashid or coordinations to do performing now but who say you're replacing Yamre because you grew from the junior team no nti consistency ni adwuma
eno na samu coach Kwaku Danso enso etimi ede tu dwa yenso etimi abobi ama wonso waso enso etimi atene ne eye Accra House of Folk birthday say them di kan nje na show ni nina no enso dedicated to Accra House of Folk 113 years and a House of Folk enso edi ne ye de show ni nina no mom ne ball 940 kobo 12 na Apostle Beba na if why House of Folk ho adwuma because 113 years and then you more ye omunuanu kuma asa no kotoko no emze pair ba bi ni twa machina for mo ahodom ho so because adwuma na omudinu kurum ha ne de 113 years this happen in city fancy aba amaro ne 7 na latest no enso etimo no Shadrack can be sa menti de oka anti go ni nie ya wiada keeper na ni wantimi anchi no keeper na wiada na ni
player no show go na some bona baso because not the intentions near very clear.
Yes.
Anna to say technique no sound the ball no. Only control ball no na so go for glory. And you so Bobby Eddie. We full volley no boy no.
Technique no na ye. Ba Eddie any say keeper ne da po ni.
Na tetina na goalkeepers ne cheche ne na magai.
Ai aso e ho. Tu hu a. Wetumi aye na wo de akwa ye. Onwe. Go na
momo player no so about so
player na ya de
but quite say be a goalkeeper na hu na wi aden ni bi
explanation coach ne dey ban na den say sha manfo
mom tiki boy na shine away from ono
but mom ta share sa goals we bi pa
bechemfo
ai mom ta share spectacular goals pa ho and no as mo ball draw bi im na mo de mo twenya me ye mo no mate
da bi o na so on say a previous seasons and omu take leader omu wini and a manager no so war 5 years Ateta na say na make no
5 years and am dey ye bebe
oh America can be such matches ni na be show oh they all how we can we can ye be say ye catch us and ke be be call the last international break na Chelsea that third abejedi
oh dabi but mo ye adwuma
okay.
What you will say? A cabana.
And I'm young son. Then cash out a baba. Me say all or nothing.
Say risk.
I'm one of the one risk.
Me no ya.
Well, first, me that say a penna so ya criminal and aeroplane. Yet a foreign in some for matches out of about Snowman Shark. Young Crow Italy and one big game, a game and a Basso and some our San Siro, our Brian Tamalan Timino, Ramos and Napoli about draw and one game and a Basso Acadena. Your fan sounds Scott McTominay once again. One on about first go to my Bobo Crefans and Napolia. Ramos Aquare and Chibiana Kanchala Noglu and some non-stop parity and Mabokua. Your fan say in Tamalan and one game of Basso and then said your match and as you crying in an seminal. Your exams and a highlight Nibi and some TV and Facebook and also not fair. Also watch me and John Senna and Ronimano and some Nasukwana and after the game and a manager for say Zaki our Yatuma and some Mama in Tamalan say one of your Obana boys in the Abbas was answer and Moduma and one Korana Bueno not just and some Nawasur and Wasanka Timbi I was so being so Kunim Abasama Tinema what did you about some Kunudiano no Sanka and some Narama Saita your father say in Tamalana and result of burning on your satisfied didn't you say what did you about on your satisfied and Enra when our second half when some double post I attack and say woodwork when Boma Kumi I just saying then can some not to Misha Ebium when say your penalty some not saying our branding and some natural Enra Nanka Inter fire Saita when some not to me Amani I just know and some Yasama coach your father says Simone Zaki when some not about to and one coach your father Antonio Conte Nabu Funing and some full Samra when some penalty our Sama Chinamo Najo Canning on South Catana your father South Quaraskili and will be piano and some not to box cinema no Sanka Rafi at your penalty as Emra was in full assistant from the Jubabia Mama ayeva enya juma na akoba se referee ejina picture so na se bia BBC na mama referee no enso amahwe na moye madu so na ball no yento so na yenkwa yenim na bia play enkwantini abasa na ya na sabi mama referees na wo so adu ball no chese sabi o man se Jimini anase bo man se Jimifo esensere moment afo ewo ho a awose e consult wo amakwan enso ama referee na mama ha na chese all the stuff for nyina no enso makoto tenkruom ewa ba enwa marija no so nabufu ya ho nsam nyina no yete eba mama goalkeeper ye faro Sompa enwa after the game Sompa som na ye goalkeeper enso arma interman ewa fi enwa wono som na dinkomana wabo mo we game na wono som na draw sa game wono se na ni je anase bia se na si kwalo nyina no goalkeeper ye faro Sompa enso akasai.
All 10 outfield players committed into the attack, and 10 outfield players of Napoli committed to the defending. Cialanoglu! That one to the right foot produces another moment of magic.
We knew that Napoli is a good team. They defend well. It will be tough today. But how I said, we had some problems with the build-up in the first half. But in the second half, we did it well and better. And I think when we see the weeks we had in the last weeks we have, so we were in a good mood. We had a lot of points, difficult games, hard games, and as well today. So I think we take this point, and now some players they recover from the last weeks, and some they go to the national team. And then
yes, na chese omofa aye 1 point e wo fie na after international break no wo boys no so aro kofa ba na brama nyoma nyina so atimi akokama enso amana series of inter we no enso aye goalkeeper Sompa and our chesani nsem nyina no ye de am ye chefo enwo awo Portugal wonim say coach and fon say Ruben Amorim no enso ngaba the last game enso we na de ten say enwo mo game about so man fon say wo kokolusi e we sense enwa wo mo kwa we akwada na fon say Ricardo Horta ono enso number 2 goals Arma Broga and our first time na chese bobo kuno wo mo som lead by 2 goals to 0 wo mo come second half manager no enso regi changes ama kotena ye fon say had the Mansa Morita wono atebako and what Morten Jolman that the atosumi no ama chese mo restore parity we fon say Conrad Harder wono about 3rd goal on the side of 4th goal no enso so na chese wono enso number 2 goals in from 2 goals down I'm about to say 4-2 mami moment we na chese manager we won the first game area and trophy we mo some na Portugal enwa coach no wono mo nyina ayin fanyini we ba na odini phone ama na chese twa picture we so ba na odini phone ama na chese twa picture enwa and trophy no we mo nyina some na teknia ye can say photos akoba say no and some na last game a coach na ye fan say Ruben Amorim and so boy and nyina no and some kaka omaswoye and some not able omo your coach and say you want to just say why you ready January ready and na Monday and official in Jumedia and also what the Manchester no one some shall sentina Jamaica can so fly and some about just Manchester Cromwell no mama said ya can no and some work permit our promise the permit na anche crano and no some other buy a international break not just a permit na bentina we baba starting Jumedi ama bobo kuwa ye fun some man you coach and say you want to just why you ready our brand all start Manchester Jumedi yentia Ruben Amorim.
It was again an amazing night. I feel ready for the new challenge. I'm not naive. I know that it is going to be very, very different, very tough. But I feel that I'm ready. I'm in peace now. I can focus on my new job, and I'm looking forward for start tomorrow.
Yes, na chese ne amo start in Jumedi ewa bro random senior nyina no and some mebe ko kana ediaman afei and wa Manchester Fonso esani gumu captain ye fana Bruno Fernandes ebo goals na afei Alejandro Garnacho bi eso so shakade aye Garnacho go ne amo amase no ba bi akora ne tina and said was ban ne ball ko to atenam and some Manchester United and wa koba se player ye fana se Ganacho and yes, I'm going no. When him saying, I can't take a coach in there. Your father's a room for this choice. Before the game, no, was all the character track with answer when you're born on trying to a day before. Now, never was what can you answer? I was out, one of the Cassans and send them wire den and some man out our pampa. What catch on and say, and no match on my started over free bench and or Bansua. One function in teams over make impact our match no more and to M1 powerful bench abaning no what is some other make impact our Braniuma and some Nako come Emma Saita. The fun some major Omuria game no or fun some Van Destroy and some Akasaya Bisana sir and you have 4 matches our boy Akuye and some unknown now Ujumadia do tea and saying and I was describing you or say na a special at the mano Yentia caretaker coach where I have Van Destroy.
Well, I can only describe that moment. Well, I can only describe that moment, how I felt it, and as a closure of this block of 4 games, I felt like it felt like a closure, and it was a moment. It was a beautiful moment to
yes, not just I know a beautiful moment and so at the man I just and no I can't feel my sweat about Honsam yet the MIA for another penamo mamma fan to him say Enwa game about so our prejudice so Chelsea for the go down so I restore priority Enwano and Yakadana father said Gabriel Martinelli or no and some number first goal and a player your father said Pedro Tomasa said Yakadana fat bonus said was Suma Bona when some other level pack in Emma Johnson when him say was you can in the mountains almost say manager for some Maraska no can come here sir was so no ni madro so amateur because Emma brought substitution by no Jamaican so boy go straight to dressing room and almost say one was so boy no so I mean just a madro grow holes at there what do you about send a mountain but our form and I was so many to the bench I'm a container your father so Pedro Neto and some other position I want in first and I just have so far when some no one you must so Edmonton and manager for some Mikel Arteta and what Arteta say you want to just say was him Omanya lucky at there when we dominate game the Enra and normally better and some much in Chelsea or disappointed say when some consider Sagono now was so very Chelsea a team be at Chelsea and some never I was Stamford Bridge piano Yama Chelsea as has Andy Pano and it's a Arsenal normally dominating one of the best teams our Europa normally result that you say about Omanya winner na chess and money at Jabba was it Chelsea and dominating Europe and your conference league as some okay Yentia Arteta
with the results because I think we deserve more and at the same time very proud about the team, the way we played here against this opponent in this stadium. They have battled every opponent here and obviously it wasn't the case today, but after doing the most difficult thing is scoring the first goal, very disappointing how we conceded the goal. Nowhere near this.
And no, I can't free Arsenal. I'm manager and sweater by Enwa. A branch of Anisoko, Palmer, Omuri answer before the game. No, yet about 2 cast manager and so piece out and ever ball. Now, I'm a boy, and Omuri game, all Quinano, not just a co, Palmer, so Ellen pay. Now, manager, no was say, you want to just say. So far, Odiria Basamoa, Moka said Chelsea, Ebenya statement win Sabia, Washer City B, and I say Liverpool B, and I say Man U B, and I say Arsenal, you know, woman lose to City, woman lose to Bobo Cray Fanasa, and Liverpool. I'm not draw Man U, I draw Arsenal. And what did you about so more compare Arteta Arsenal 5 years? And Namia and also Airbank America club, you know, some matches be at Tess and Chelsea, and some never do couldn't after the game manager Enzo Maresca and some Akasai.
We didn't win, so it's. I think the performance was good. We playing the way we want to play, on the ball and off the ball. The game for some moment was open. Anything can happen in both sides, but for sure, 100% at least we deserve the point, and this is important.
very soon we're going to win this kind of.
Yes, and no, I can't free manager Fantasy Maroska Swede Buffet. You call Real Madrid and now Massa may catch her and say, Woman, you before and ever Bomucho, so soon will be an prayer. Real Madrid for so fast. I am a man of Vinicius, no, and some not trade cows. I'm at the minimum. My main front to himself, Cadena, your Fantasy Vinicius, or no, I will say, Yaman to Cassa, Moana say, woman some type of balance. Our team, no, Vinicius, I say, Yaman to Cassa, woman, your balance, I must solve all problems. And after international break, what did you hear about Senoria's problem? The other Rosas of Bueno was a coach and I find a solution. And some Adiamatino, now Jaminians at Damili, Tao and Prano, say, oh, quality get more. Now we are a match day 30 week and coming. We will say, players, Amakuma Comienza, Alamunina anterior cruciate ligament. When you're for Christ, I will call 9 months. Now, just say, players, me and so a ligament weekend, woman, you know, some ACL, who coming out to Boma, you started season, ACL, Amakuma 13, and La Liga, and some other court, now military wife, I say, a dream to say, Sa Pura drain, no more than Pantuano, and also try MHS and Ukuno, and some days, I am brighter Albano, what I get to social media, so Composturia, and no MHS, Adamili Tower, one of some Nakakuna ACL archers, I want some, yet about some because, Every swallow pride now runner. Your father says Sergio Ramos last week come a key poster. What does some you're training den our fear? Yes, be a Ramos at fear when you climb on what that. Now I'm for saying, so only militawa. I was so the Ramos ever to them sample when your emergency sign and cried my team now. One to the about Sabah way and your poster last week, and a Ramos and some poster here. One more can say be away and some other annual bonsa ecolusi. Now Takafusa Kubo, one and a German of the match award Emra, and some of some match, and one son of Bossa, I'm shot on target. Yes, I opened the last time a Bossa Bola Liga game. Woman, you shot on target, and I said, a direct shot at Gola, and I had 24. I am mistaken my Adamsama Huni or no Goka. I am mistaken my Adamsama Huni or no Gokano Chrono, and some other chair from the Yintias, my coach, your father sounds a flick, and some other tuka. Yes, very fast. Infancy enough for young Croma 930.